go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Mancera, and this one called, what is it called? Black Noir. I thought Mancera was a French brand, like Black Noir. That makes no sense. Like, what is it? Like, noir is black in French. Like, what is it? Black? What you guys doing? What are you guys doing out there? Last time I checked, they're French. Yeah, petty. I don't know. They're drunk over there. Anyway, this box has seen better days. It looks like the UPS guy just went thunk. Can't wait to see what kind of condition this one is in. And this is a newer release, right? 2023. Nose, Pierre Mancera, fictional character. Before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, much appreciated. Merci beaucoup. And to my returnees, I love you all. Let's take a look at the note breakdown and let's see why this is called Black. And I can see why. The top note is black leather and there's pink pepper. So it's rare to see leather in the top note. So we're gonna get leather straight out the bat. In the middle, we got tobacco, TIARE flower, oud, and patchouli. So we got some dark notes here. In the base, we got vanilla, tonka, ambre gris, and vetiver. So very light base, sweet base. We'll see where this brings us. Let's delve into Black. I'm gonna make fun of the name now. Oh, look at, you guys can't see that. The bag is, who's packing this stuff? All right. Well, the bottle is in good condition, but it was backwards in the box with the pouch all. Okay, so this has seen better days. Hopefully the atomizer works and we got it. If you see this video, that means she works. The bottle's nice. I like the matte black with the gold accents. It's gorgeous. One of the nicer Mancera bottles, actually. And we got the magnetic cap. The atomizer looks good, so it doesn't look damaged. Let's delve into this one. Let's look at pricing first. Retail. This one retails at Harrods for $180 USD. This one is $79 USD on Fragflex. So big difference. $100 off. Like, Manceras are cheap. Look at that atomizer, eh? So controlled, so good. Let's delve into it. I'm not a Mancera fanboy, by the way. So watch out if you're new to the channel. What the? Yeah, okay. Talk about mislabeling, eh? When you're going to call something black, like they did, you got leather, tobacco, oud, you got some dark notes. Could have fooled me. Could have fooled me, bro. The TIARE flower, probably the prettiest note in this note breakdown. Probably the lightest note in this note breakdown is primary. This starts off super soft. I was expecting a dark leather, like dark something, like tobacco, oud, among others. Nada. Woof. Yeah, when I start barking, it ain't good. Mancera, lately they've been actually doing some good releases. This is a fairly new release. So I had hopes. Ooh, it's rough. So it's TIARE flower prominent. It's giving its floral, but TIARE flower also gives like a green leaves, sage-like appeal, like qualities. And it's central here. It can also give out like suntan lotion. Like it's almost like one of those tropical floral things where you can kind of think lotion-like. Keep that in mind. This is your primary. Out of all these big bold notes, the TIARE flower goes, I'm number one. A little bit of vanilla back in it, and that goes hand in hand with like a frangipani, TIARE flower, ylang. Those florals in the women's aisle kind of get pushed in with vanillic tendencies to keep the thing going with the tropical floral aspects. Oh, there's leather in here, but ooh, it's light as a feather. It is suede. I mean, it's in the background of this stuff. Like, is this gonna man up or, you know, come on, boy. Man up. Your name's Black Black. Oh, I'm even hesitating on saying that there's leather in here. Who are you kidding? Boy, disappointment all day. Mancera is a disappointing brand. There's a reason why Mancera or Montal and Mancera has been, you know, part of the cheap niche brands. Like back in my day, and I'm talking about like I'm the old guy on the block here, right? My 2010, 11 folks, like people that have been around the block with me. We all know that, you know, there was some cheap niche fragrances back in the day where we could get like Serge Lutens for under $100 and L'Artisan Parfumade. We're getting like stuff like Tea for Two and Chergui and stuff like that for like under $100, like Arabi and all that. And there was Montals beside it, but you never really buy the Montals. You'd just keep buying Serge Lutens and Artisans because they were much better produced. And then eventually, L'Artisan Parfum, I don't know what happened to them. They just folded. They're just like, no, we're out of the game. Like, I'm sorry. They still have a website. They still sell product, but where are they? They've screwed up. Serge Town's like, we're getting out of the US and our distribution is getting chopped off because leaking our products and selling for under $100, we're not doing that. And then Montal was left alone. And designer pricing keeps going up, and these Montal and Mancera stay the same. There's a reason for that. Well, there's multiple reasons for that. It's a good video idea. Don't steal my video idea, influencers. This is, you know, it's 79 on Fragflex. That's even high. I thought this was an exclusive too. I think when I went on Harrods website, it said like exclusive. That might not be, like, I don't shop on Harrods, honestly, for fragrances, but yeah, no. If you're expecting, like, this name is Black Noir, Black, and you see tobacco, black leather, oud, you're like, oh, this is going to be dark, Mensa. Yo. Kidding me? You kidding me? Suede, no tobacco, no oud. No. No. So this one is available at fragflex.com, obviously, for $79 USD. You can use my code TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide, so you don't have to purchase this if you don't want to. And that coupon code is no expiry. So keep it in your back pocket. You can use it as much as you want. There's no limit. At least they haven't told me one. So go ham. And yeah, this Black Noir, Black is an utter disappointment in my eyes. Mislabeled and disappointment. Now that you're my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. And don't come at me, bro. It's just me. You're never going to meet me. If you love it, don't come after me. Just, you can say your piece about it. And you say, oh, it's really, really good. I'm good with those comments, right? I'm not an influencer that's going to delete comments that don't agree with the influencer. But, right, there's a lot of Mancera fanboys. There's tons of you. Tons. This ain't it. Yeah. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.